Welcome back. Today, we're exploring a topic that could completely change your approach to women. If you found yourself stuck in the friend zone or think that being excessively nice will win her over, it's time to reconsider. There's a hidden element that sparks sexual attraction in women, and it's not just about being the nice guy. Stick around as we delve into some enlightening psychological insights about attraction and how to shift the dynamic to ignite her desire. Let's discuss the nice guy persona. You know the type. Always available, overly accommodating, and constantly agreeing with everything she says. While it might seem that being nice would win her heart, it often has the opposite effect. Nice guys can come off as predictable and unchallenging. Although kindness is a wonderful trait, when it's coupled with a lack of confidence or assertiveness, it signals that you're not a leader, something women are naturally drawn to. Women are instinctively attracted to strength and confidence. From an evolutionary perspective, a strong, assertive partner symbolizes someone who can protect and provide. While nice guys may feel safe, they often fail to trigger that primal attraction. Now, let's introduce a concept that flips the script: the power of being a challenge. This doesn't mean you should play games or be rude. Rather, it's about shifting the dynamics. Humans tend to value what they have to work for. When a woman feels like she has to earn your attention or affection, it activates her intrinsic motivation. If everything comes too easily, it's human nature to take it for granted. Start by establishing boundaries and standing firm in your opinions. For instance, if she suggests something you don't enjoy, don't pretend to like it just to please her. Respectfully disagreeing and sticking to your preferences conveys confidence and self-assurance. Let's be clear, confidence trumps niceness every time. Confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. Women are attracted to men who are unapologetically themselves. When you carry yourself with assurance, others pick up on it. Women, in particular, find this trait irresistible as it signals that you are capable and dependable. So, how can you project confidence? Start with your posture. Maintain eye contact and speak with a steady tone. Being decisive is also key. Don't hesitate to make decisions and take the lead. Another crucial aspect of igniting sexual desire is embracing your masculinity. This doesn't mean you need to be hyper-masculine or overly dominant, but it does mean owning the qualities that make you a strong, capable man. Masculinity and femininity complement each other. By leaning into your masculine energy, you naturally evoke her feminine side, creating a magnetic attraction. Simple gestures like opening doors, leading during a date, or using a calm, deep voice can subtly emphasize your masculinity, communicating that you're someone who can take charge, an incredibly attractive quality. One of the biggest mistakes nice guys make is being an open book from the get-go. While honesty is important, leaving a bit to the imagination keeps her intrigued and wanting more. Mystery breeds attraction. When you don't reveal everything about yourself right away, you spark curiosity, making her think about you and eager to uncover more layers. So how do you cultivate mystery? Share aspects of your life selectively. Let her learn about you gradually rather than all at once. This keeps the excitement alive and encourages her investment in getting to know you. Flirting is also an essential component of building desire. Nice guys often shy away from flirting due to fear of rejection or coming on too strong, but flirting is vital. It activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine, the feel-good hormone, which makes interactions with you enjoyable and exciting. Start with playful teasing, light physical touch, or subtle compliments. Remember, flirting is about showing interest without being overwhelming. The goal is to create a fun, engaging dynamic that keeps her attention on you. Ambition is another trait that women find incredibly attractive. When you have goals and pursue them passionately, it demonstrates that you're driven and capable of achieving great things. Ambition signals potential for success, and women are drawn to men who strive for growth, as it indicates stability and future potential. Share your dreams and aspirations with her, and don't hesitate to discuss your progress. This not only makes you more interesting, but also shows that you are focused and determined. It's important to note that you don't have to completely abandon being nice. Kindness, respect, and empathy are vital components of any healthy relationship. The key is balance. Combine your kindness with confidence, assertiveness, and a touch of mystery, and you'll become irresistible. So there you have it. Start implementing these strategies, and you'll notice a change in how women respond to you. Remember, it's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about amplifying your best qualities and stepping into your power. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more psychology-backed insights. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What strategy are you excited to try first? Until next time, stay confident and keep leveling up.